Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll show you how to add the Grubhub feature to your app. The Grubhub feature allows your users to find and order food on the fly. Let's see how it is done. Go to our no-code app building platform. If you've already created an app, log into your account and go to Manage and Edit to add Grubhub to page. If not, click on Get Started to build your app. Here we'll show you how you can add the Grubhub page to your new app. First, enter your business name here and click on Next. Then, enter the purpose of your app and click on Next. Based on the app purpose you mentioned, the system will add certain pages to your app. Now click on Save and Continue to finish creating it. Once you have selected the desired pricing plan and installed the app, all of our features will be unlocked. Click on Start Editing to add the Grubhub page. If you see that the Grubhub page is already added, click on it. If not, click on View All, search for Grubhub, and click on the page to add it to your app. Existing app users can add the Grubhub page exactly the same way. Now let's take a look at all that you can do with the newly added Grubhub page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it to how you want. From here you can change the page icon. You can select a solid icon, an outline icon, an image from our library, or add your own custom icon image. You can even upload 2 different images for mobile app and the website. Now let's move on to the content section. This is the name of your Grubhub page menu. From here you can change its icon. You can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Here you need to provide your Grubhub URL. Click on the information icon for instructions on how to locate your Grubhub URL. When you have finished, copy and paste the URL link here. Click on Add More if you would like to add more Grubhub URLs. Click on the trash can icon if you want to delete the Grubhub URL and confirm to delete. Once you have finished, click on Save and Continue. That is all for now. Stay tuned to our channel to learn more about app building without coding.